Ever wondered how JavaScript, the world's most popular programming language, deals with different data types? Well, today, we're diving into the fascinating world of implicit type coercion in JavaScript, a feature that can sometimes feel like magic, but can also lead to unexpected results if not handled with care. Imagine having a number and a string in your code. Now, you decide to concatenate these two using the plus operator. What happens? JavaScript, in its wisdom, decides to coerce the number into a string, and voila, you have your result. Here's what it looks like. You define a variable num and assign it the value 10. Then you have a string. The number is plus num. When you console log this string, the output will be the number is 10. The number 10 has been seamlessly converted into a string. But JavaScript doesn't just limit its coercion skills to strings, it can handle numbers as well. Suppose you have a string 20 and you decide to add 10 to it. JavaScript will convert the string into a number and perform the addition. So the result of 10 plus 20 will be 30. But what happens when you compare different data types? Well, JavaScript has an answer for that as well. When using the double equals operator, JavaScript will convert the operands to a common type before making the comparison. So 5 equals 5 will output true, and 0 equals false will also output true, and it doesn't stop there. JavaScript also converts non-Boolean values into Booleans in contexts where a Boolean value is expected, such as if statements or logical operations. For example, if you have an if statement with the condition hello, it will output string is truthy, because non-empty strings are truthy in JavaScript. As you can see, implicit type coercion can be extremely helpful in JavaScript, making the language more flexible and dynamic. However, it's crucial to be aware of it to prevent any unexpected results in your code. If you want to be explicit about your type conversions, you can use functions like number, string, or Boolean. And if you want to avoid unintended type coercion in comparisons, using strict comparison operators like triple equals and not equals can help. So remember, JavaScript's implicit type coercion is a powerful tool, but with great power comes great responsibility. Use it wisely, and it can help you write dynamic and flexible code. Use it carelessly, and you might find yourself in a world of unexpected results. Happy coding!